Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating word that involves self-denial or the act of giving up something you want. Can anyone guess what that word might be?
Is it sacrifice?
Close, but not quite. The word we're delving into today is abnegate. Let's all say it together, abnegate.
Abnegate.
Fantastic. Now, let's understand its meaning through some examples.
Hey, Sarah, I heard that Mark decided to abnegate his dream of becoming a musician to take care of his family.
Really? That's a big sacrifice. Why did he make that decision?
Well, his family was going through a tough time, and he felt it was more important to support them. So, he chose to abnegate his dream temporarily.
That shows a lot of selflessness and responsibility.
Excellent. In that conversation, abnegate was used to describe Mark's selfless act of giving up his dream to prioritize his family's needs.
Can we use abnegate in other contexts too?
Absolutely. You can use abnegate when someone willingly gives up something they desire, or when they deny themselves certain pleasures or comforts for a higher purpose.
Could you give us another example, please?
Of course. Let's see another scenario.
Mike, did you know that Lisa chose to abnegate her weekend plans to volunteer at the animal shelter?
Wow, that's truly admirable. She's giving up her leisure time to help animals in need.
Exactly. She believes in the importance of contributing to the community, so she decided to abnegate her personal plans.
She's making a positive impact for sure.
Well done. In this conversation, abnegate was used to highlight Lisa's selfless act of giving up her weekend plans to volunteer for a greater cause.
So, abnegate is about giving up something for a greater good?
Precisely. Abnegate is about willingly sacrificing or giving up something you want or enjoy for a higher purpose or a greater good.
Can we start using abnegate in our conversations now?
Absolutely. Practice using abnegate in sentences to make it a part of your vocabulary. Great job, everyone! Embrace the concept of abnegate and use it to express acts of self-denial, sacrifice, and selflessness. Keep learning and expanding your vocabulary to become articulate English speakers.